Okay, ready? Wow! Assalamualaikum. This is your Pinoy Gunsmith, and it's because of COVID-19 virus, still our company is closed and we don't have customer. So I want to make another project out of this old fire extinguisher tank. I want to make this rocket stove. So I want to start with this one by going debug. think I finished my project during lockdown. I don't have work, so I invented this one. I call this a rocket stove with lechon manok or turbo. You will see this here inside. You can take this one, and after you cook, there is still a small fire, and then while you put your chicken here you put your chicken. You will put you will use this one to put this in the middle, so the chicken is not direct to the fire. And then after that, you will put this here in the middle like this, so you will see the chicken if it is cooked or no. Now I want to try this one. There is a opening here for fire control, where you can put your firewood here, and this one is for the inlet of air inlet, and for the cleaning of the acid here. You can clean the acid here. And this one is movable. You can see this one. This one has a portable table. There is a lock here, and you can travel this and put this wherever you like. Okay, wherever you like. Okay. You want to open, you want a table, just push the lock, and here your table. So you can put your pot. Now let's try. I think my invention, my project is successful. The fire is good. This is fire control. This is for the inlet. If you want to control the fire, you can control it by closing this. See? But smoke a little bit. Okay, we will try. How many minutes? I will record how many minutes. Okay, 18:04. How many minutes to boil this water? And after the fire is finished, there is still charcoal with a small fire. We will try to lechon manok. I think two chicken will accommodate this chamber. So we will try, because this is the first time. We'll try first one. Okay? Okay. It's because this is only a testing. After this, we will paint this with a engine paint. The high temperature paint. Okay, shout out. Shout out muna sa pamangkin kong si Adoric sa Bulacan. Adoric, shout out sa iyo. Kumusta kayo dyan sa Bulacan? Sa mga classmate ko, kay Lloyd Abrasiros, kay Tupex, Gibara, shoutout sa inyo, kay Lumin, at sa iba ko pang mga kaklase na hindi ko na banggit. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Pinoy Gunsmith. It's because lockdown, I don't have a project, so I invented this, I call this rocket stove with table and lechonan. Okay. Okay po. Successful ang ating turbo chicken. Yan, ito na. Kaya pagkatapos nyo magluto, yung baga pwede pa ninyong gamitin sa manok. Kaya ito ay successful na. Titikman na natin ito maya maya lang pag malamig-lamig na. Okay. Shoutout muna kay Eric Ragma, yung dati naming firearms instructor, yung aking best friend dito na nasa Pilipinas, at sa kanyang misis na si Erica. Shoutout sa inyo dyan, sa inyong mga kapatid, kay Chichi, kay Donabel, kay Mitch, sa inyo lahat. At sa lahat ng mga kasama kong instructor dito sa Mayalin Shooting Range na ngayon ay puro tambay, sa pangunguna ng aming assistant na si Tony Magsarili at si Mr. Jason Agpawa, si John Bert, si John na nasa Pilipinas, nabutan ng lockdown. Sino pa? Si Melvin, si Marvin, at yung nasa labas pa, nakasama namin na si yun?
Dale.
Si Dale. At saka si Jojo. Ingat kayo dyan, mga abangan ninyo ang aking Pinoy Gunsmith. Sapagkat ngayon lockdown, wala tayong baril na magawa. Ito ang aking project. Manok. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Okay, magandang araw. Assalamualaikum. It's Thursday. And it's okay. Now I'm gonna paint this for final finish. Okay. You see there's a tire here. You can easily move. Open. Pull the lock. Here is the cable. Okay. This is for firewood. This is for cleaning ashes. This is for inlet and charcoal if you want to use the grilling or lechon. This is for firewood. This is hook. So you can take this, and if you want to use the Dixon, you want Dixon manok, you want to this one must be on the hole side. Okay, like this, and this one for turbo chicken. Put inside and put charcoal here. Okay, now I'm gonna paint. I want to paint this. Okay, it's done. Shout out sa aking senior na firearms instructor, Teddy Binabides, at kay Edison Agpawa, at yung aking best friend na nasa Pilipinas, si Eric Ragma, ang aming former chief firearms instructor. Bes, kumusta ka dyan? At ang iyong buong pamilya, kay Erica. So, i-subscribe po ninyo ang aking YouTube channel, Pinoy Gunsmith Lockdown Edition. Sapagkat ngayon ay COVID, walang trabaho, kaya kung ano-ano lang ang aking naisip. So, Pinoy Gunsmith sa YouTube channel, please subscribe and push the notification button para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga invention. Sa aking anak na nagdiwang ng kaarawan ngayon, ang aking pangalan na si Princess. Shout out sa anak. God bless and stay healthy and keep safe. I love you. Okay? Assalamualaikum. Salamat po sa inyong lahat.